Hello, so I see that we brought Sasha in for a wellness check, correct?
Yes.
Well, I would recommend that we give Sasha the parvo vaccine.
I don't think she needs one, it's fine.
Well, canine parvo type 2, more commonly known as parvo, is a highly contagious disease that can affect the GI tract. Young puppies that are completely or even partially unvaccinated are the most at risk for contracting this potential deadly disease.
I don't know. Can I speak to the vet? Because I'm not too sure about this yet.
Okay, I will go talk to the doctor and bring her in.
Okay. Thank you.
No
Come
problem.
here, baby.
Parvo is a really robust virus that is able to live outside of its host in the environment for a long period of time, and it is easily spread from areas previously uncontaminated by the virus. It can be spread from dog to dog, either through direct contact or by dogs coming into contact with objects that had been contaminated by the virus, such as your shoes. Specifically, it starts in the lymph nodes in the neck, and once inside the body, the virus infects rapidly dividing cells in the small intestine and bone marrow. When it goes after the bone marrow, it affects the ability of stem cells to produce any cells to aid in the immunologic response to CPV2, or parvovirus. The results of the parvovirus in the bone marrow and lymphoid tissues are the destruction of the hematopoietic progenitor cells, which leads to the low levels of lymphocytes and neutrophils, or immune cells. In the intestinal epithelium, parvo infection leads to the death of epithelial cells, the flattening of the villi that assist with GI tract movement, and faulty gut barrier function and loss of absorption capacity. In short, the body is unable to defend itself and the virus continues to proliferate.
Oh my, I had no idea. Okay, so can you now tell me how the vaccine works? How is this gonna go?
Of course. The vaccine is typically administered
subcutaneous
in puppies 6 weeks of age or older, and then 2 boosters are given 3 weeks apart. After initial vaccination, it is recommended that dogs receive an annual booster. The vaccine works by introducing a less virulent form of parvovirus to your dog's immune system. This is called a modified live vaccine. Use of this type of vaccine leads to your dog's immune system being able to recognize the parvovirus and destroying it so that your dog does not become ill, or in the event of infection expresses a much milder case of the disease.
Oh, okay. Is it possible that we can give it to her today? I know the text said so, but are you going to be able to give it to her?
Absolutely.
Awesome. It's okay, honey.
All right, Sasha, there's going to be a little pinch here. Oh, good girl.
Did very good. All right, and we'll expect to see her back here in about 3 weeks.
Okay,
for boosters.
good job. Come on, baby.